we're now going to look at adding to our symbol a mounting space around it to ensure it has enough airflow, enough space around for the heat dissipation. So on this symbol, we're going to click on it, and we're going to go to its properties, and we're going to see the option there in the properties for the mounting space. And this allows us to either define a consistent space around the whole object, or to define different top, bottom, left and right. So on this, I'm going to put this as being 20 millimeters at the top. We have some grills for heat dissipation, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side, 20 millimeters, and on the left and the right I'm going to give it just 10 millimeters on each side. So when I click on OK, that's now allocated to that symbol. So if the symbol is selected, in the cabinet section we have a list of options on the right hand side, and we can click on Show Mounting Box, and there we can see the actual space required around the component. And just to check if that's sufficient, if it's placed in a position where it's not going to collide with anything, we can click on the cabinet option and then check for collisions. And here we can see that actually it's too close to the edge and there's not enough space there. So what we're going to do is double click and then place that down on the DIN rail, and we should find, when we check for collisions again, there are no problems. When we place other objects, if I go and select another component, and if I want to place that next to this, if I place it right over it, you will see as it places it down, it wires it, but it leaves a space there. So it leaves that 10 millimeter space on the left and the right for this mounting area. So again, under cabinet, check for collisions, and everything's okay there. So with that mounting box assigned, I'm going to select the symbol, go back to my symbols, right click and choose overwrite with the selected. So now when my symbol comes in, it already has the correct mounting area.